we need to go to change party privacy. So for this you need to go to Fortnite settings, and here you can see the account and privacy. Scroll down and go to social privacy. Here Windows friends invite permission is there. It should be in anyone. Make sure it should be in anyone. And after that go to party joinability. It should be in joinable, and the next should be in from friend in party should be have. Okay, so after that go for change matchmaking region. In this you can click games and check the matchmaking region. It should be in auto, or else preferred your nearest location. You have seen the right side. You can click the nearest location. After that apply and confirm. After that, the next step, you need to go to Epic Game Launcher and go to Library and go to three dot icon, click it and click the Manage option. And here you can see the verify file is there. You need to verify it. Here you verifying the Fortnite files. If there is any issue, it will rectify it. And once the verification is complete, after you need to again click and go to Manage. And here you can see installation option. Click the folder. And here you can see the Fortnite game is there. Click it and go to binary Win64 EC anti-cheat and double click the EC anti-cheat setup. It should be running like this. After that you need to close all the Epic games and go to run and click the local app data. Type and click local app data and go to Epic game. Click save. Next need to delete the web cache. So don't panic, it will only delete the caches and your account will be stay safe. Don't panic. After deleting it, you need to come and restart your PC. Thank you.